So we're outside the house right now, and you can just go in and tap to unlock. Oh yeah, you thought I was the scammer, huh? I don't blame you. So here's the exterior of the house. It's got, you said it's got a new roof?
Yeah.
Okay. HVAC, new paint, new flooring. Okay. So this is how you enter the home. Use the app and then you get a code. Alright guys, so here I actually lost the footage unfortunately of when I first entered the house in the living room. And so I'll skip right to the backyard here. As in going out, there's a slider, little stray cat, and okay, so a decent sized backyard. This is actually a corner lot, and so it's 0.2 acres. It doesn't look as big because a lot of that property is on the front, but it does have a little side yard on either side of the house, and this is the sidewalk over here that goes over the street. Little side access gate. The siding was in good shape. It's got a nice little concrete patio area. The house was good. It had a nice new roof, new gutters, an open door put in. Here's the kitchen. You can barely see there. But it was a nice kitchen. It was pretty dated though. It was clean, but not new. Got a wood burning fireplace, living room here. Now we'll enter the first bedroom. It's got a new thermostat. So pretty small bedroom. You know, it's got your standard closet, single pane windows. There's the open door guy talking to the neighbor. And moving on over to the second bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom house. So a little bit bigger maybe. It's got 2 windows. Just kind of goes to the corner of the house. And then we walk into, well, there's a 3/4 bath here. I should say actually it's a full bath. And then the master bedroom. This is where it gets really interesting. Okay, there's a closet, no big deal. But look at this floor. And I'll show you more detail in just a second, but apparently the previous owners was her plant room. And so she had a ton of plants in here that she would water. But I've never seen a floor just quite like that. It's also like it's just, it's kind of interesting. Yin and yang sign is what it is, but master bedroom has kind of 2 flooring surfaces, 2 areas, if you will. But that pretty much concludes the house tour. There's a living room again, and I'm sorry I lost the footage on the kitchen. All right, guys. So this is actually the house right here, and this is on Open Doors website. See the address, priced at $310,000, 3-bed, 2-bath. Stats right there, but I just kind of wanted to show you the kitchen area since I'm not able to save that footage. Let's get over to it. All right, so this is the kitchen. Again, tile floor. Looks like they painted the cabinets white. It's pretty dated in there. There's the laundry, but you've got some tile that's probably from the late 90s, maybe early 90s, electric stove, white appliances. I mean, it's all right. It's all clean. It all looks functional. Obviously, I didn't have a home inspection or anything done for the tour, but it's dated. So, you know, just to give you an idea, since I kind of missed that footage. Here again, there's that weird, the weird floor in the master bedroom. So it almost looks like 2 rooms, but there's no doors or anything here. This is the master bedroom. Closet, and apparently the lady had like a bunch of plants in here. That's what the open door guy told me. When they bought the house, she had zillions of plants in here, and so anyways, just kind of an interesting thing. Let me know what you think of the yin yang floor. I think it's kind of fascinating. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and let me know in the comments what you think of the house in general, if you've had any open door experiences, and if you have any questions about buying or selling a house, give me a call. Thanks so much.